So weird. It was landing. What happened? I promise it was landing. Then it took off again. I gotta be the weirdest thing that the passenger felt. Passengers can feel, really. Honestly, it's actually the worst feeling. They were landing. I was actually taking a shot of a landing and I was planning on putting it on shorts, putting music on it. It looks like those guys, they gotta do U-turn. Poor guys. I actually want to try to track it to see if it's gonna make a U-turn or not. Is it meant to be landing? So it looks like they received the order of taking off again. The shit feeling. Happened to me once. So let's see if it's gonna make a full circle. Hopefully we can keep tracking it till then. Can't believe it. What happened, baby? Why didn't you land? You gonna make a U-turn or what's going on? Yeah, it looks like it's gonna turn. It's turning. Yeah, 100% it's turning. Yeah, fantastic. That's beautiful. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Come back, come back, come back. Come back. Yes, baby. You can land now. Where are you? Where the heck are you? Can't see you. Huh? Ah, there you go. You can see it. She's coming back. So we go behind this thing. There you go. She's coming again. Okay, fantastic. Yeah. I can still see it. Fortunately, I can't make it any bigger. That's 15 times bigger than the normal camera. It's gonna disappear in the cloud. So we didn't take order. All right, let's see this landing here. There's a landing there from Jet. Is that a Jet? Oh no, this is a Jetstar. Yeah, this is Jetstar. So I can see the other plane coming around. I will track it to become. I've lost it. So just to confirm, this airplane it's got nothing to do with the other one. The other one is gonna make a U-turn and land soon. It's there. I can see it actually. It's there somewhere. There you go. There. It's making a U-turn. I'm glad I can see it. There's a takeoff there.